MeghalayaPost.news.
And I know for sure why Conrad Sangma postponed the election of the GHADC today. Because he knows the ïaka people will not vote for the NPP in the GHADC election.
Baroy ko parsunran chaman ka komso hakajing lang mata kasngi hamot pran ulather ting yak sarkar jila bat khamtam yu menteri rangba ka jila Conrad Sangma alor ka jingkanan ka balami harilum Garo hadu bag jaj ben riu Garo ki badi ki trai muluk ki haban phadri nalaki jong ki yeng kisam syaki wei pat ki jaka ulong ru Balei Conrad Sangma pynsangeh yak eleksyon GHADC namaru thep shai bagi pat Garo kinom thep syaki NPP namar ka tau haban shimi karai ban pinbi yak pat Garo sasisien pat kum ki pat Garo kimde ban klat yak asnam balajaw kimde ban klat bagi pat Garo kisabe nalaki yeng achibinang bat kajingsa thang jong ki yeng kisam.
You have been using them just to win election, just to rule, just to lead the government. It is because of you that the ïaka people have been made to leave their own house, their own land. It is because of you that this situation has arisen on this day. We feel for our ïaka brothers and sisters. We feel for the situation that they are in. But my brothers and sisters of Garo Hills, the ïaka, don't lose hope. Remember that your day also will come. Every dog has his day. We have to remember that. You have the power in your small little finger. Don't forget that. And I know for sure why Conrad Sangma postponed the election of the GHADC today. Because he knows the ïaka people will not vote for the NPP in the GHADC election. That is why he has to take a decision to fool the ïaka people once again. At least to calm down the storm. Just to calm you down. But my friends, my ïaka brothers and sisters, don't forget the blood, the death of Dilsang Sangma. Don't forget that your brothers and sisters have been chased out of their house in Chibinang at night. Don't forget that the shops, that the houses have been burned down in Garo Hills. It belongs to your brothers and sisters. Remember this day, remember this time when you have that power to decide through your small little finger. My brothers and sisters, it is a call from your neutral brother. Don't be made to forget what has happened to you. You have been made to suffer in the last 50 years. Your leaders have led you, have just benefited from you. It is because of their doing that these people, the population of these people have grown with each year. As they have taken a decision not to allow them to settle in your land, in Garo Hills, will they find a place to settle? No. Will they find a place to work? No. Will they find a way to do this illegal activities, illegal stone quarrying in Garo Hills? No. It is because the people who are in power have a hand to play that these people are daring and they have been earning a lot of money. And now a time has come for them to show their true colors. My brothers and sisters, do not let this be another battle that you lose and you'll suffer for the next 50 years again. It is time that we chase away these Bangladeshis once and for all. It is time that we make us stand very clear to these politicians, to these leaders, that enough is enough. You have been made, you have benefited from us. We made you the chief minister. We made you the MLA. We made you the minister. What has you given back to us? Development. Roads, stadium, bridges, schools, colleges. What is the use of development and at what cost? Does development can be compared to being wiped out from our own land? Do we want to become another Tripura? Just because some government, some minister give us development, we forget that we are the owner of this land and we hand over this land to these illegal Bangladeshis. My brothers and sisters, this is the day that we will remember, and I want all of you, this message to go to all the brothers and sisters in Garo Hills and also our Nyotrap brothers and sisters. We need to remember this, that if today these people are trying to snatch or to take away the land of the Achik people, tomorrow they will take away the land of the Nyotrap people. Nakwa ban pinkan mawe kani. Palada menta kini kibriu kila persyang ban kini. Yaka kendo ka siap, yaka hok long try, yaka hok halor ka sensyar ka khadar, jong ki Garo po Garo Hills, kan poiru ka por, bakini ki joy ki brio, kin kini yaka hok long try, halor ka kendo ka siap, halor ka sanhima, sima jongi unyo trep, lada ngimlong ki bausiar.
MeghalayaPost.news